Infotech welcomes you at Electronica 2026. With us, we have Miss Penny Fanchiang, General Manager from AIT Semiconductor. So, ma'am, how Electronica 2026 is treating you?
This is new. First time, twice electronica in 1 year.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is new. Actually, we participate electronic for many years since 2018. We are here for 7 years already. The first time we participate the electronica is in Delhi.
Yeah.
First time. So we are very appreciate the electronica especially in Delhi. So we met many talent here and many manufacturer. We can see lots of different since 2018 till today. Wow, lots of that's great growth here. So we expecting to meet our friends here and to see lots of our friends growth here.
So, what key products you are showcasing in this event?
Yes, AIT Semiconductor, we are IC design and manufacturing company. So we provide the power management ICs, discrete ICs, and memory ICs. And we have also our in-house manufacturer for inductor and crystal. So we provide the total solution to our customers as to shorten the customer's design cycle, and even we have our automotive grade. That's AECQ certificate products as well. That's booming market in India.
So, ma'am, I would like to know how does your company differentiate from the competitors?
Yes, I think we have to think that what customers prefer, that's most important. So they need the good quality products. They need competitive price products. They need short lead time products. We have all those advantages. We provide Taiwan high-tech products, high quality, high performance products with very good competitive cost, and our lead time, like our passive inductor and crystal, and even discrete parts, the lead time, for example, just 1 week. Lead time just 2 weeks. Very fast. We hope to support our customer short lead time to deliver their products as soon as possible, and our power management ICs only 3 or 4 weeks. Very short lead time.
So, please share your company's vision for next 3 to 5 years.
As we know, India market is a booming market for automotive, and especially for EV charger. Or here is our application: automotive, consumer, IoT, industrial, telecom, home appliance, and medical and lighting. So in India, cover all those segments. So we hope we generate more new products fit into those markets to let our customer enjoy our products.
Do you have any message for your customers?
Yes, I hope all our customers satisfied AIT Semi. We will always be here to support you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.